Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hagasngi balang jong katayo kaslem trikam jong ka District Sports Officer Nongstoin Wkhd Hills. Kalayo ban Plie Pyrdano ya ka Lympung ya lekai ya ka balatip kum ka 29 Wkhd Hills District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet araja arpusaw. Hagani ka Lympung ya lekai menta usnam kidon hadu arpusan tali kishnong na kaleng saudong jong ka district kilawan ban ya shibenta ya ka balapen longru hamadan nong pathar. Syuk-syuk kani ka Lympung kan ne lai sngi lenter haka baki babun jat ki jingale kai ya baki school kinyo banya shimbenta shit rahem bat haka ni ka sngi las dang ya kana ka Lympung da ka jingya mare shispa meter jongki under 18 ki khana kan thei bat shenrang kumju ru ka jingya mare shispa meter ki under 16 kan thei bat shenrang bat kiwe haka tiga sngi uba lakadors im IPS Commandant Food BN Sopian ulalong kumukongsan haka jingdon langru ka kong balarinas im DSO Nongstoin Wkhd Hills kinong hikai na ki school ba pher bat kiwe de.
Dikerhoi nak menang ki school lajang, Ivan Semiki.
In sports, the ability to embody these three things that I talked about, faster, higher and stronger. This comes about from practice. This comes about from perseverance. If you look at athletes all over the world, if you look at athletes from the state, if you look at athletes from the district, they embody this spirit. Hardworking, perseverance, and listening to their coaches. Kongsim has already talked about how sports reflects on your life too. How life and sports is part and parcel of one basic element. The second part is sportsmanship, as she talked about. Sportsmanship is not only about competing with other competitors, but it's also about competing with yourself. The ability to be better than yourself. Today, I ran 10 seconds. Tomorrow, I should be able to run less than 10 seconds. Today, I jumped 4 feet. Tomorrow, I should be able to jump more than 4 feet. Today, I carried weight of 25 kgs. Tomorrow, I should be stronger and carry weight of more than 25 kgs. Sportsman spirit and sportsmanship is an integral part of sporting activities and is an integral part of your life. Not only to be better against other competitors, but to be better against yourself, to compete against yourself. The third aspect as sportsmen is that we need to be disciplined, is the need to be the integrity, that is, to be truthful in the way that we practice, to be truthful in the way that we compete, to be truthful in our activities related to sports.